Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. I just wanted to show you guys these egg bites are still going strong. They are so filling and so good, and it's so easy for like when you have to go to work. Like today is a work day for me, so I just warmed 2 of these up and I put them in the microwave 45 seconds to 1 minute, and that is perfect. I eat these on the way, or sometimes I eat them right before I get in the car. It all depends on how hungry I am, but I wanted to show you guys that they are so easy. Now on to lunch for today. Like I said, today was a work day, so I just got chopped up chicken breast with loads of broccoli. She just chopped up the florets for me. Oh my God. I love the girl that works out girl at my job. She know my diet, so she really be like helping me out. I love her. I just love her. Anyway, y'all, on to our snack. I'm just going to be having some pistachios. Like that broccoli and chicken, I did not need no snacks at work. My girl hooked me up. But you guys, I have a very good dinner today that I want to make. This is something that's going to be quick and easy. First, we are going to cut up about 1/4 of a green pepper. We're going to cut us up 3 mushrooms. Y'all, I did not have no onions. I did not have not one onion in my house. It was too late for me to go to the store. So I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. So we just going to cut this up. We're going to make do what it do anyway. We are going to put this in the pan with about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And we're going to put us some ground turkey in the pan. So I am going to be making this chipotle sauce to go on top of. That's y'all what we're making? We eating quesadilla tonight. So I'm going to make a chipotle sauce to go with the quesadilla. And I'll show you guys how to make that. First, we're going to saute all of this together. We're going to get this nice and mixed up. We're going to put loads of onion powder since I do not have any onion powder. Then I'm going to top it with some red pepper flakes. We're going to use Italian seasoning, parsley, and a little bit of garlic powder. Well, not a little bit of garlic powder. I never use a little bit of garlic powder. I guess it's a little bit compared to what I normally use. So I guess so. Anyway, y'all, go ahead and get into this mix, and I will come back and show you how to make the sauce. It is so easy.
I made a mistake, and now you're walking out my door. I know it's too late. Can't make up excuses anymore, so walk away. And you can blame all of the pain on me, and you can replace all of my pictures on your wall. Forget all the days.
Alright, y'all, so now real quick, you are going to need about 1 tablespoon of mayo, or you can use like 1.5 tablespoons, and then you're going to need about 1/2 tablespoon of the chipotle sauce. Now, I did not put the peppers in there because the peppers will make it really hot. Then you're going to put a little bit of garlic powder on top of this, and then that's it. That is it. We're going to get it some mix and give it a taste. And when I tasted it, I realized I needed a little bit more chipotle sauce because we know I'm about that spice life over here. So I added a little bit more of the chipotle sauce. You do want to add it a little at a time because it can get hot really fast. So we're going to add that and mix it up, and then that's it. We got our sauce for our quesadilla. All right, you guys, so the day was 1,461 calories and it was only 12 net carbs, but it was actually 13 net carbs because I didn't put the chipotle in there. Yeah. All right, you guys, look at your girls giving you day number 2. Today I'm off, but I'm still going to be eating my egg bites. So again, we're going to pop them in the microwave 45 seconds to 1 minute. And let me show you what I'm going to be drinking. So this morning, of course, you know, I always have the cucumber and lemon water all throughout the day. But I felt the need, because yesterday was a work day, to replace my electrolytes so I don't be getting no Charlie horses, because I don't like that horse named Charlie, because he hurts. When he kick in, he kick in. So make sure you get your electrolytes in. I just showed you guys the brand I'm using. This is not sponsored. I just really like the way these electrolytes work through my body and make me feel. And plus, I love the color. Look how pink it is. It's so pretty. Now, I do try to stir it as much as I can to get all of the powder form out. I've seen some people actually just take the powder out of the container, put it in their mouth, and then drink water behind it. I don't want to do that. That seemed a little dry to me. It seemed like I might choke, so I don't want to do that. But get into these egg bites. Look at this, y'all. They are so freaking delicious. Let me show y'all what it looks like in the inside. Look at all of this cheese. Pepper jack cheese. Look at that. This looked like I just made this today. No, this was my meal prep. Remember, y'all was there. Y'all was with me. Look at that. They are so good. So I try to drown this electrolyte drink. I don't sip on it throughout the day. I just try to drink it straight, but it's a lot in the cup. So by the time I finish breakfast, though, this drink will be gone. I'll keep drinking it. All right, y'all. Anyway, let's move on to lunch, because I am just going to be reheating up that cabbage that I had, and I'm going to make some brown butter chicken to go on top of it. Now listen, I know it don't look pretty. I know it does not, but that's okay. So I've already chopped up my chicken into little cube pieces, and now I'm just chopping up the garlic. I am chopping up about 6 garlic cloves, and we're just going to cook our chicken first. We're going to season that with Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes. That's it. And then we are going to take the chicken out the pan, pop the garlic in there with about 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add parsley and red pepper flakes, and we're going to let that cook a little bit until the butter get a little bit darker than its normal color, and we're going to take it off and pour it all over our cabbage and our chicken. I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Y'all, I am so sorry. I did not realize my camera was out of focus. No, your eyes are not going bad. Nothing is wrong with your eyesight. Nothing that wasn't wrong before. It's my camera. I'm so sorry. It was not focused. Anyway, let me give you guys a close-up. This is what it looks like. This was so good. And it was filling, surprisingly. I didn't think it would hold me, but this was filling. All I had after this was a snack, and I had just ate a couple pieces of pork skins, maybe because I was just tired. I'm done for today. This is it. Here is my snack. I'm just watching some Quinn Medicine Woman, and this is my snack, you guys. All right, so the day was 1,449 calories, and it was 13 net carbs. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, come on, you might as well subscribe. There's more to come. And for all of my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I enjoy sharing my journey with you guys. All right. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.